Meaning of high explosive.
High explosive.
High explosive.
High explosive.
High explosive. High explosive refers to a type of explosive material that is designed to release a large amount of energy quickly when ignited or detonated. This rapid energy release creates a powerful shockwave, which can be used for various purposes such as military applications, mining, demolition, and construction. High explosives typically contain high amounts of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon, which react rapidly to produce a large volume of gas and heat. When detonated, high explosives can cause significant damage to structures, equipment, and living organisms within their range of effect.